12 minus 8 gives us 4. And again here we have 12 minus 8. So 4 times 4 equals 16. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression we have one subtraction, one multiplication, and one parentheses. Inside this parentheses we have one subtraction. Here we have a multiplication because in mathematics when a number is placed next to parentheses it means multiplication, and we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. Okay, so according to the PEMDAS, first we have to do this parentheses, then this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. If we do this subtraction before this multiplication, it is wrong. So first we have to do this first we have to do this parentheses. Inside this parentheses we have 12 minus 8, which equals 4. So we have 12 minus 8 then times 4. Now we have one subtraction and one multiplication. According to the PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction because multiplication comes before subtraction. So here first we have to do this multiplication. 8 times 4 gives us 32. So we have 12 minus 32, which equals negative 20. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is negative 20.